Hello and welcome to the presentation of my first build of my honors thesis. Just testing out some features for the VR Immersive Electromagnetism Lab. In this build, you have a fully configurable vector field that places vectors in a cube between 2 points that are able to be defined and moved around by the user completely freely. And then you have the ability to pull protons and electrons, both with just equal value charges from your pocket, and move them around a fully realized 3D space. You can walk around the space, view the fields you make in whatever direction, orientation you wish. And in this build, you can really just explore all you want. Explore the shapes that come up when you stack charges in different ways and place them in different areas, different orientations. What you're seeing here is footage from about 10-15 minutes that I had just kind of playing around with the app for the first time, just standing in a room and seeing where it all goes. One thing I like is that you can move around the charges completely freely at runtime, and it all responds really fast. One thing I wanted to do is make an actual structure. So I took 2 planes of charges. I kind of made little flat surfaces. And essentially what you're seeing here is the field of a capacitor. It's kind of straight between two planes of charges, and it creates an almost constant field between them. And then what you're seeing here is what I think is kind of beautiful. It's a genuine learning moment. At this point, I just decided to line up some charges in a line, and I liked the look of the field it made. So then I decided to line up more charges and arrange the field in a certain way, so that way I could truly view what I was making here. I moved the other charges out of the way so it wouldn't mess up with the data too much. And then I just started exploring, which is really cool because even being the creator of the project, I'm supposed to be the subject matter expert of it all, I guess. But even I was just intrigued by just being able to move around these charges and view what was happening in real time. And here I am taking a bow for my beautiful performance in the corner. And then this last little bit here is some footage of when I let my friend Connor try. He played a slightly later build where I tried to where I experimented with the vectors changing in size to represent proper magnitude. And he's having some fun there, moving around charges. I wish my mic was turned on during this moment because it was kind of fun. He had a moment where he was going woo, woo, woo when he was moving around charges. And I think it's cool that in this scientific demonstration software, you can have kind of childlike fun until it crashed. That's what you get with experimental software.